Understanding the winter blues. Do you feel tired, less motivated, or are completely down in the dumps in the winter? As the days grow shorter and the temperature drops, many people notice a change in their mood. This feeling is commonly known as the winter blues. While it is a very common experience, understanding why it happens and how to manage it can make the colder months much more enjoyable. What are the winter blues? Why do we feel this way? When our eyes take in less light, our brains change how they produce certain chemicals. One chemical called melatonin makes us feel sleepy. In the winter, our bodies often produce too much of it. Another chemical, serotonin, helps us feel happy and calm. Without enough sun, our serotonin levels can drop. This shift often triggers a sensation of hibernation, causing us to feel lethargic and withdrawn, much like animals that remain dormant to survive the harsh winter months. Fun facts and global traditions. Did you know that the word January comes from the Roman god Janus? He had two faces, one looking back at the past year and one looking forward to the future. This reflects the reflective, quiet nature of the season. Hygge, Denmark. The Danes are famous for hygge, pronounced hygge. This is the practice of creating a cozy, warm atmosphere. Think of candles, soft blankets, and hot cocoa. Even though Denmark has very dark winters, they are often ranked as some of the happiest people in the world because of this mindset. Did you know that some people in the Arctic Circle experience polar night, where the sun doesn't rise at all for several weeks? Some studies suggest that when people feel low during the winter, they crave more carbohydrates and sugar. This is because sugar provides a very quick but very short burst of energy. Additionally, did you know that the shortest day of the year, the winter solstice, was once considered the true New Year in many ancient calendars? It represented the moment when the light finally began to conquer the darkness. How to overcome the blues. First, try to get as much natural light as possible. Even a 15-minute walk during lunch can significantly boost your vitamin D levels. Second, stay active. Exercise releases endorphins, which are the body's natural feel-good chemicals. You don't have to run a marathon. Even a light stretch in your living room helps. Socializing is also key. It is easy to become a homebody when it is snowing, but isolation can make sadness worse. Meeting a friend for coffee or joining an online club can help you keep your cool when the winter stress builds up. Embracing the quiet. By staying active, eating healthy foods, and seeking out light, you can keep your cool even during the fiercest blizzard. If you take care of your body and mind now, you won't just survive the winter. You will arrive in April feeling as fresh as a daisy. Remember, without the cold of winter, we would never truly appreciate the warmth of the spring. Don't let the weather leave you down in the dumps. Use this time to rest, reflect, and recharge for the year ahead.